Here's some foreign exchange market trivia. Subscribe. Which economic indicator measures inflation? Is it A, gross domestic product, B, producer price index, C, consumer price index, or D, employment rate? The correct answer is C, consumer price index. What term describes the difference between buy and sell prices? Is it A, spread, B, margin, C, index, or D, profit? The correct answer is A, spread. Which currency is associated with Switzerland? Is it A, yen, B, euro, C, Swiss franc, or D, dollar? The correct answer is C, Swiss franc. Which currency is represented by the code AD? Is it A, euro, B, Australian dollar, C, Canadian dollar, or D, British pound? The correct answer is B, Australian dollar. What is the acronym for the International Monetary Fund? Is it A, B, IFLT, C, IMF, or D, IMFJ? The correct answer is C, IMF. What is day trading in Forex markets? Is it A, long-term investing, B, swing trading, C, arbitrage, or D, short-term trading? The correct answer is D, short-term trading. What does liquidity refer to in Forex trading? Is it A, ease of buying, selling, B, risk assessment, C, market volatility, or D, availability of capital? The correct answer is A, ease of buying, selling. What type of analysis focuses on economic factors? Is it A, sentiment analysis, B, fundamental analysis, C, statistical analysis, or D, technical analysis? The correct answer is B, fundamental analysis. What is the minimum capital requirement for Forex retail trading? Is it A, $500, B, $5,000, C, no standard minimum, or D, $25,000? The correct answer is C, no standard minimum. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.